warm. But I went home and jumped in the pool, and then I drank about 3 gallons of water. Line up in numeric order, please. Everybody line up in numeric order, please. I love Mark standing next to Nick.
Ready? You guys hit my camera.
Wow. It's interference. Stripes don't call anything.
I'm trying really hard though. That's what it's all about, Corey.
Oh, that's a minus. Oh my God, how did he save that? It's called make it, take it. It's just a gentleman's thing. I gotta go back on the ice. It's colder out there. Hey! I'm taking it. What? Whitey just crashed into the goalie. Yeah, get him!
Hey, I'm the captain here. I'm like the guy from Semi-Pro. GM, player, coach, referee. Oh, can you stop with the F-bombs? I'm mic'd up. There's kids. It's for the kids.
Wow.
Hey, Kugler, back check that.
Oh, yeah. Nice goal. You had no idea where it was. We should get a goal just for you looking at it. Adam got a goal. He's like, I'm done.
You guys gonna think about pulling him, or? Yeah. Steph, good call pulling the goalie. That was a great idea, whoever's idea that was. Good year, boys. Good year.
Hey, good work.
Good year. Nice shot, boys.